Okay, it's my fence, but I got something a lot more exciting than that. The inflation garden. Yes, decided to try my hand at a little gardening this year. We all know about prices, but we all don't know about gardening, and I'm one of those people. So I planted obviously some beans. I've already eaten a few of these. They've coming out good. I guess I'm gonna have plenty of beans eventually. And tomatoes. We eat a lot of tomatoes. I planted these from seeds you could barely see with the human eye, and they're growing up. What I don't know what to do, I watch videos just like everybody else, and I see guys snipping stuff and doing it. If we got a master tomato grower out there, somebody can let me know what to do. I mean, I drove a few stakes in, tied some stuff to it. Again, not sure what I'm doing here. I'll just we'll just see what's happened. But I picked this up probably 2 years ago from Home Depot, and it kind of sat around, but this year I finally got off my butt and did something with it. So I guess it's working good. It's got this little thing here that's supposed to pop up if you got too much water, not enough water. You can drain it down there. But so it's growing really good, but like I said, I'm at a point now where I've probably got to trim or prune or do something with these tomatoes. But so far so good. And we've got a bucket of peas. Who doesn't like peas? I guess I'm about to point to where I need to thin these out, but those things grow like crazy. I mean, I put them in 3 days ago, and they are going nuts. But anyway, there you have it. Inflation garden. Anybody's got any tips on what to do with tomatoes? Do I need to chop some of these smaller ones out, or just let them all rip? Some more stakes. Whatever I need to do to make this thumb a little bit more green. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Later.